Ruth chapter 1 highlights Naomi and Ruth's devotion and faith, demonstrating God's providence. Deuteronomy 10:19, which commands love for the foreigner, underscores Ruth's decision, as aligned with God's will. Ruth forsook her homeland and idols to embrace Naomi's people and God. Her confession of faith reflects pure trust in the Lord. Naomi acknowledges her suffering, but prepares for a new beginning under God's providence. God's heart is revealed in bringing hope through the faithful even in sorrow, transforming all circumstances for good within His divine plan. Ruth chapter 2 highlights Ruth and Boaz's first encounter, revealing God's providence. Deuteronomy 10:18 declares God's care for widows and orphans, fulfilled through Boaz's kindness to Ruth. Boaz recognizes Ruth's loyalty and faithfulness, protecting and providing abundantly for her. Through Boaz's favor, Ruth experiences God's faithfulness, showing how her diligence and trust open the way for His blessings. God's heart is filled with love to care for the vulnerable, using people to demonstrate His goodness and grace in tangible ways. Ruth chapter 3 depicts Ruth's bold request for Boaz to act as her family's kinsman redeemer. Deuteronomy chapter 25 5-10 outlines the kinsman redeemer's role, and Ruth's actions reflect obedience to this law. Her courage and faith demonstrate her devotion to her family. Boaz, respecting her request, responds with integrity and care. This shows God's providence, working through their actions to fulfill His redemptive plan. God's heart is revealed in His use of faithful and responsible individuals to accomplish His purposes, demonstrating His unfailing love and faithfulness to His promises. Ruth chapter 4 depicts Boaz marrying Ruth, redeeming her family's estate, and fulfilling God's redemptive plan. Deuteronomy chapter 25 5-10's kinsman redeemer law is realized, as Boaz lovingly restores Elimelech's inheritance. Though Ruth was a Moabite, her faith and loyalty made her part of God's divine purpose. Their lineage led to King David and ultimately to Jesus Christ, demonstrating God's providence in extending salvation to all nations. God's heart is revealed in fulfilling His promises through faith and obedience, showing His unwavering love and plan for redemption across generations.